What is up, YouTube? Autobahn Dan here. Windy day. I had to shut the doors because everything was falling off the shelves. Wind just doesn't go away. Here I have another kctool unboxing. Just a quick one, small one here. Let's get to it. Alright, I'm gonna use my Dryer's ice cream razor blade here. Got a little sentimental value. I used to merchandise for Dryer's ice cream. Go grocery store to grocery store and merchandise the shelves. So I kept it. Let's see what we have here. Nice. We have the holding function. It's HF. The 8790 HMA HF. This is the kit with the belt strap. And all the sizes right here. Made in Czech. Oh, it's just the little holder piece we have here. How do you open this guy? Here we go. Oh, there we go. That's how you do it. That's how the gravy's done. And here's the front right here. Okay, let's check this baby out. Nice. 13 down to 4. There's no 12 and no 11, but they are nice. Here I have a 13 bolt. Nice. Oh, it holds on pretty good. Are they the twist and lock? Yes, they are. They're the twist and lock. Not that I would use this, but nice to have. Hang on your belt. Got a carabiner. I don't know how to exactly pronounce. And this is to remove a nut. It's first time I've seen one of these. Kind of rubbery. Nice. And then a key ring. You got the nice Veta logo with the rubber feel on it. Holds pretty nice. It's got the 2 detent balls. And then you can see that it goes, get you a good shot here. And then it goes down to 1 on the smaller sizes. Really tiny. Love the colors on these. You can identify it real quick what they are. And got the nice thumb wheel action going on there. Very nice. Definitely could use that set. Wish I had an 11mm though, because I use a lot of 11mm. This is so you can Velcro it to all the other stuff they got. Got the Velcro on the back there. And a little instruction booklet. And no sticker in this one. Alright. Let's see what else I got here. Got the 1/4 inch. And this is the Cyclop 8004. Very nice. Oh, you can really feel this one's very nice. And hold on here while I take the clip off. Very nice compared to the 3/8. There you go. The length. Also says 8004 on it. Same switches and everything. This one feels a little smoother. This one probably needs a little wearing in. This one's nice. And then I also got the little small driver here, just as another comparison. Let's put all 3 here. Alright, so the main reason I bought it was because my Craftsman, I just noticed the lock stopped working. Doesn't quite lock anymore. And comparing the size here, give or take, not bad. The Craftsman 4494 made in USA ratchet, and then this one, yeah, it holds very nice, and the button's more flush than the button on the Craftsman, and then teardrop shape's a little thinner. There you go for a comparison. Not bad. Definitely can get used to this one. Oh, here's the little paperwork it comes in. 8003 is the one you shove through the other side to reverse it. It's a lot slimmer. And then you can reverse it that way. Nice. And in every pack you get a bit. Oh, thanks. I got style 13 of 24, which is a Viha T20. There's the part number there. The other ones here. Got 10 of 24, 9 of 24, a few other ones. So collect them all. And what else we have here? I have the Phillips power bit, 52 millimeter. Oh, this thing's gnarly. You can squeeze into tiny places with this. And I didn't know this was that thin. That is gnarly right there. Look at that. Look at the tip on that. Right on. It's a sweet one there. And pretty much it. Got a sticker pack. Anything over 100, you get a sticker pack with it. And so the same spring flyer here. Well, right on. Thanks for watching. Hit a like and subscribe, and on to the next one. Later, guys.